In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight on this Cadillac Escalade. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this screw up top. Use a T15 socket. Take that out. I'm going to pull back on the Weatherstrip. Using a trim tool, just going to get underneath and just pop this out. Just pop it towards the back of the vehicle. Piece will slide up. And just slide it out. You can see where it's clipped in. And take the bottom piece out. Same thing, just use a trim tool. Get behind it. Slide it out. Underneath, we're going to disconnect the connector. There is a little lock. You just want to take a pick or a screwdriver. Just push that lock back. Just like that. Then you can push down on the tab right there. You should be able to slide it out. If you need to, you can use a pick underneath the lock and slide it out. There we go, it's starting to come off. And slide that out. Using a T15 socket, we're going to take all these screws out. Same T15 socket, you may need a universal just to get in behind the strut. I'll just grab the taillight assembly. And just with a little bit of force, pull it back. And slide the wiring harness up. You want to take an alcohol wipe and just wipe this area right here. And take this resistor. It's just going to line up down here, and there's two of them. You're going to do the same. So that's out of the way. Now we'll connect these connectors. Slide the wiring harness down that middle hole. And line the taillight up and just push it towards the front of the vehicle. Now put the screws in. Put this top piece in, slide that in place. And and push it in place. Put the screw in up top. And the bottom trim piece is going to go in. Just line this up. Push that in place, and then take the Weatherstrip and line that all up. Push that back down. And line the connector up underneath. And lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.